Hey beautiful, what is up? Welcome to my channel. My name is HollyLynora, aka Holly Jolly, or you can just call me Holly. Tomorrow is Christmas Day. What in tarnation? What happened? What happened to this year? Cheesy. Anyways, I today wanted to show you my way of going from daytime soft glam to a nighttime date night look in a matter of 10-15 minutes, if that. We're not going to wash off our face and restart. We're not going to pull off our lashes. We're going to utilize the colors that we already have on our face. We're going to utilize what we already have going and do a quick adding a couple little extra things, showing you some extra tips on how to go from day to sultry nighttime. And it is beginner friendly, so sit down, take notes, follow along with me if you haven't already. I would love it if you would subscribe, join my beauty YouTube family. All things happy, positive, and jolly. And I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so we are going from classic glam daytime to fun, sultry, sexy nighttime. And we're not going to wash off our face and start from scratch. We are going to work with what we have, utilize this face that we already made, this artistry that we have worked, and we're gonna work off of that, okay? We're gonna match these colors. We're gonna just have everything play off of each other, and it's gonna be quick, simple, easy, beginner friendly. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to put my hair back just for the time being because it makes it so much easier, and it's not gonna be cute, sorry. And you know what else? I am not even going to take off these lashes. I'm telling you, we're gonna work around everything that we already have. And this is like, you've got a few minutes and you wanna make that solid difference. Say you just got off from work and you have a date, or you got girls night, whatever the case may be. This is what you need to do, okay? Okay, let's get into it. So the first thing, one of my major tips in going from day to night, happy, bright and bushy tailed to dark and sultry, ready to impress, is going to be black liner. This is a gel liner. This is from Natasha Denona. I'm going to go ahead and tell you that most of the products we're using today are Natasha Denona because she is pigmented, she is high quality, and everything about Natasha Denona thus far is fabulous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take her Macro Tech Eye Crayon. This is a gel liner, and I'm going to go on my waterline, and I'm going to line right on the outside to about halfway into my eyes. Look at that, how the pigment is there. It is amazing how just so black. And we look more cat-eyed, more sleek and sultry than we did before. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same liner and pop it on the top, on the inner corner, which is also going to add to that feline effect. I'm telling you, this gel liner is so pigmented. It is amazing. It is so beautiful. That has already added, just that small little step has added such a sultry, dark, ready to go, ready to mesmerize look to our face. Didn't even take 3 minutes. Next thing I'm gonna do that always helps is to add a little bit of smokiness to your eyes. So once again, Natasha, center stage. Come on, sweetie. We are going to go in with her Glam Face. Wait, am I saying that correctly? Yes, Glam Face Palette. This is the light toned version. She also has a dark toned version. We as humans naturally think, okay, well, I'm lighter skin, so I'm going to get the light version. But she actually made these so that they're both universal to all skin types. I cannot speak as proof of that. I haven't tried both, but that's just going off of what I've read and what she said. So I have the light version here. I'm gonna go in with the shade Smoke using a Morphe smudge brush. This is the M431. And I'm just going to lightly go in here. This is a very chocolatey brown, and we're gonna tap off the excess And I'm gonna go right where I put Natasha Denona gel liner. I'm going to put this right underneath it, and we're gonna add some smokiness to our eyes. Being sure to get that very inner corner of the outside of your eyes. Just kind of placing pigment there and smoking it up. If you have any fallout from this, which there is a very good chance that you will, please don't take your finger and rub it off. Oh, Lord, I almost dropped my mirror. Please don't take your finger and rub it off, because that will smear, and we don't want that. Take a big fluffy brush and just lightly, like you're taking a feather duster, and dust it off. And that definitely does the trick. So you can see just how much more smoky. And if you wanted to, you could always take the smokiness and the liner all the way into your inner corner of your eye. But just for my preference for this day, random Tuesday or whatever day it is, I just chose to do halfway. Halfway is going to create a wider, more open eye. And if you go all the way into your inner corner, it's going to create a smaller, sleeker, kind of like, you know, it's not going to look that silly, but it's just going to create a smaller, more sleek, feline cat eye, as opposed to wider and more open. So we're going to keep smoking here. Keep on smoking, sister. This is the only time I'm going to tell you to smoke. Buff it right on out. And I'm even bringing it up to the outer corner of my lid, of the top lid. It's all in the eyes. And we're going to do a little something beautiful to the lips. So look at the smokiness and just the sultriness of this side. Hold on. Smokiness. I don't even know if you can tell the difference because my lighting is off right now. Smokiness and sultriness. And we're not even done yet. Can you see the difference? Now, if you really wanted to go the extra mile, you could really transform and take a black liner. This is from Huda Beauty. This is the Life Liner. Not Natasha Denona, clearly, but this is a really good, excuse me. This is a really good eyeliner. It's so freaking precise. But what you could do with this is you could take it and go in your inner corner. And this little line right here makes the difference when it comes to eyeliner. Like, it just makes such a difference. It's unreal. And you could even throw a small line right there. And we have really just accentuated that eye and went from daytime to night. Let me do this eye and I will be right back. Okay, my friends, so now we have these must-have, gorgeous, smoky date night eyes. Here, I'll give you a beautiful close-up. Yes, that didn't take but 7-8 minutes, okay? Nothing, we didn't have to remove anything. We didn't have to redo our whole face. Like, I love this. Like, utilize what you already have. We've got these beautiful, smoky, ready to mesmerize eyes. What's next, you ask? Well, let me tell you. Come here, let me tell you, sister. Sticking with Natasha Denona, this Glam Face palette, I'm gonna go in with her Star Glow highlighter. Oh my gosh, if you want some glam, some nighttime, hit them with that blindness, psh, this is your stuff, okay? It's called Star Glow. It is so beautiful. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my Morphe M501. Yes, that's what it's called. It is my personally dubbed highlighter brush. Highlighter brush, yes. And what we're gonna do, Sim, are you interested? Okay, sit down, we're gonna learn. And we're gonna take it and pop it right in here. You are so cute. Yes, Can I put this on, please? Thank you. And we're gonna take this and put it right on the tops of the cheekbones, just like we would. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Look at that glow, sister, honey. Oh, just, I mean, think about it. In the right light, you're at dinner, you're looking eye to eye, you're gazing, you're talking. Oh, you have siblings? That's great. Just blind them right there. Is he talking too much? You want to mesmerize him and get him to hush? Just blind him right there. Right there. Look at that. It's so gorgeous. I can't. That is so beautiful. But it's just like, even in person, I know seeing things on camera is way different than seeing things in person. But even in person, it's just so, it's a sheen. It is not glitter. It is a sheen, a shine, okay? And there is a difference, because glitter, you can tell, it looks like individual pieces of glitter. This looks like your skin has a glow. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, let me finish this up. Look at that. Right when I say, well, let me finish this up, I'm like, look, let me stop again. Look at that. We are holly jolly, holiday glowy, living our best lives. If you really wanted to transform with some highlighter, you can take it and put it on your décolletage right here on these bones. Hit them with that glow. Hit them with that glow. Look at that. And you could really just, I mean, holly jolly, holiday it up. Hit them with that glow. I cannot with this highlighter. Sometimes, most of the times, I can't with myself. Like, I just cannot. I can't. I cannot. Lart. Okay, let's keep it moving. Now, this is the last step to the day to night transformation, and I debated, because this is a dark color, and we're just at that moment to where, listen, I love this look as is. We are holiday-y, glammy, holly jolly looking. I mean, we are ready to go and kill them with this look. We went to work, we made our money, we looked good doing it, and now we have a chance to change and mesmerize whomever we are going out with for the night, or, people on the street, whatevs. Mesmerize them all. But how, I mean, do we do the berry lip? This is a deep berry. This is from MAC, and it is the High Drama liquid lipstick, and it is like this deep berry, like a blackberry color. I'm liking the look how it is. I'm sure someone out there agrees, but I also kind of see where this gets us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick rough draft of liner just with a brown, just to know where I'm going with this, not to contour my lips or anything, and I'm just going to throw it on for the sake of the video, okay? I don't even need liner. I already have lipstick on. Okay, so this is this deep berry color. Let's do it. For the record, I just love this look as is. We did really good. We did really good, ladies. Okay, here goes nothing. You wanna know what? I'm not hating it. We've got this deep berry and kind of champagne-y eyes and glowy skin. I'm not hating it. I'm not hating it at all. Okay? Okay. Sim Sim, what do you think? Do you love it? What do you think? I won't kiss ya. I know. He's so bougie. Okay, you guys, listen. Personal opinion, I'm definitely not hating the berry lip. I actually think it's rather, like, it's different and I like it. I think it's interesting. I wouldn't wear it with this shirt, but I actually like it. I think it goes well with the champagne-y smoky eyes. It's a beautiful color. Yes. And we can rock this if we want to rock this. Thank you. I'm acting like somebody told me I couldn't rock it, but you know what I mean. Okay, you guys, that is how we transform using our already glam daytime makeup and turn it into a nighttime sultry, beautiful date night look, okay? That's how you do it. Yes, we could have definitely rocked it without putting on a bold purple lip, but I just wanted to for the holidays. It's a very berry, purpley color, and Christmas is tomorrow. I'm not ready. What else? Thank you so much for watching. As always, especially thank you for sticking with me till the end. If you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe. Join my beauty YouTube family. All things happy, all things positive. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.